Welcome to this shortcuts video on how to set up your cancellation feature. Over on the right hand side of your screen in the navigation panel, you're going to come round to the bottom, click on setup and then the first option of configuration. In the second panel on the left hand side, we're going to go down to general and about halfway down we have the appointment book settings. On this screen, we have three tabs at the top. We're going to select the center tab for cancellation fees. And we're just going to quickly run through what these settings mean. So first of all, we're going to be able to tick the box to enable this feature. That will activate this feature for you. We then choose the minimum service value. So this is per service, not per appointment. That means if a client has multiple services within one appointment, then the fee will be charged for each of those services, not for the appointment total. We also then have the minimum notice required. We have in here the default of 24 hours. You can change this to whatever you need to change that to. And then the cancellation fee itself. Now with the fee, you have the option of a percentage, a minimum amount, or both. So with a percentage, it will be charging the percentage of that service or per service within the appointment. The minimum value will be a value per service, provided that both of the services are over the minimum service value, which I popped in there of $5. And then you can also set up both of these like I have here. So this means that if a service was $15 and we are going to go with the 50%, 50% of 15 would be your $7.50 fee. However, we've set up the minimum amount to be 10. So it's never going to charge below the $10, sorry. So it wouldn't charge the $7.50. But please be aware as well that during the process of charging the fee, you can change the amount. So please don't get too stuck here in the setup wondering what to pop in here, because we can change that later at the point of charging. You also have the option for a secondary cancellation fee that will be outside of the minimum hour that we've popped up there at the top. And then we have the terms and conditions, which you will need to read through, make sure you're happy with those. If you do change that minimum notice required up there at the top from its default of 24 hours, you will also just need to update within this default terms and conditions where it mentions the 24 hours as well. Once you're happy with your setup, simply click on done and done. Come back over to the right hand side, and then we're going to exit shortcuts.